to my channel and welcome back to yet another skincare Sunday. This one's actually pretty cool, not gonna lie. Mwah. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over a rose skincare routine. This is going to involve a bunch of products that are all like rose infused, rose related, and I also created my own rose mask, which you see here. So without further ado, I know you guys are like, what the hell is on your face? So I'm gonna show you. Let's keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop on these e.l.f. Charcoal Hydro Gel Under Eye Masks to depuff, detoxify for bright and re-energized under eye area. These are actually really cooling and I really do enjoy them. Super great for the cost because they're e.l.f. and they're super affordable. So definitely pack these with you when you go on a plane, go on a trip, or you just have too much homework. The next thing that I'm going to be using is this cute little Nug Charcoal Face Mask, and last minute I decided to grab one of the roses that Enzo had actually given me for my birthday, and I crushed up that rose and I mix it in with this charcoal mask in hopes that this rose, real rose, would infuse this mask with a little bit of hydration meets charcoal. So that's kind of like the idea behind it here. Rose is in and of itself very hydrating for the skin. There are a ton of other great things about rose. So all I did was just rip up the rose to kind of open up its pores and mix it in with the charcoal mask and put it on top of my face. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes for it to dry, about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take this all off with a wet washcloth. My phone doesn't even recognize my face. So while we're waiting for this to dry, you guys, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the benefits of rose or rose water. Basically, as I said before, rose helps moisturize and add some hydration to the face. It also creates kind of like an inflammatory type of substance. So, you know, if you have redness or your skin is kind of irritated, it helps calm that down. Rose has antibacterial properties, also antioxidants. Rose water itself has astringent-like properties, so it's gonna help kind of clean out your pores and really clean underneath the skin and bring out a fresh new you. And I did also read that rose water itself can actually help you sleep like a baby. So definitely a lot of benefits to roses, not just that they smell good, not just that they look pretty, but rose is also my middle name. So my face actually feels super like refreshed. I think it's partly because of the charcoal in the Nug mask and also the roses. Now we're gonna tone our face with the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Toner. Hi, you're wet. Hi, you wanna say hi to the camera? Oh my God, he's so heavy. Hello, buddy. Hi. So the really cool thing about this toner is that it actually has real rose petals inside of it, just floating. Just the most beautiful toner I've ever seen in my life. So this is gonna remove impurities and also help soften the skin. The next product I'm gonna be using is also from Fresh. We have like the whole Fresh line here, guys. This is the Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum, and this is going to really kind of like inject that moisture into my pores. Then we're gonna be using the Hydrating Gel Eye Cream or Eye Gel Cream, the rose one from Fresh as well, underneath our eyes. I've also noticed that these two rose products specifically from the Rose line are super ridiculously hydrating, that they actually can be a little irritant to really super sensitive skin. So if you have super sensitive skin, I would maybe try these out on a part of your face, not your full face when you first start out. But if you don't have sensitive skin or this doesn't irritate you and you are really looking for something to heal the skin and hydrate it, I definitely recommend this line so much. The next one we're going to be using is from Herbivore. It's called Pink Cloud Rose Water Moisture Cream. And this I actually got from Octoly. Thank you so much, Octoly and Herbivore. This is going to be the first time I'm trying it. And I was just so intrigued because the thing's called Pink Cloud and it's in such a cute container. And the cream just smells really good and looks really good. So I'm kind of just going off of looks and the name right now, but I had to try this. I'm gonna give it a second and see if it actually dries down because it feels super, not oily at all, but super creamy. So while I do my lips, I'm gonna see if this cream actually dries down or if it stays, I mean, it's not really like sticky, but if it dries down more than it already is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply two fresh items. One is a lip balm and this is their Lip Serum Advanced Therapy. And by the way, guys, no, this is not sponsored by Fresh. I'm just like, I'm really obsessed with their products, as you guys already know. Alright guys, that is it for my rose skincare routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I had fun kind of like DIYing with you guys, using a brand that I really love, using some drugstore, some high-end products. I think that this was a really cool, skincare Sunday. I'm proud of myself. If you guys have any creative ideas or any ideas for Skincare Sunday, leave them down below. I would love to hear what you guys think and what you guys would recommend. If it's products, if it's ideas, if it's a video title, anything like that, leave it down below. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure to subscribe here and also check out the rest of my Skincare Sundays. I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye. Oh, by the way, the moisturizer's fine. It's not like sticky. It's not super dry either, but I mean, it feels really nice.